Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix stream delay that is too long in Kick streaming. So let's get straight into it. Most of your delay comes from how your software encodes and sends the data. Now head over here first into the OBS Studio. What you need to do is head over to the top left corner, File, and then to the Settings. Alright, now what we need to do, so open up these settings. Just a moment that I open up again and show you just this window here. All right, now what we need to do is head over here to the output tab and then output mode select to the advanced. Now here under the streaming tab, find tuning down here and set it to ultra low latency. Now you can also set here the keyframe interval to 2 seconds. Right, now what we can do also is let's go to the advanced here, advanced tab, and find, for example, here we can also find stream delay here and ensure the enable box is unchecked. So uncheck this stream delay here. And also under the network here, we could, if you have this option, you can check the box for low latency mode. And yeah, also what you need to be careful is on resolution. So select the resolution which is quite easy for your computer. If your computer can't do the 4K, then don't push it because you will have just troubles with it. So yeah, this is pretty much everything that you can set here for better streaming. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.